So I'm also really excited about how Zoho Creator is, quickly adapting around the AI wave because it's all about AI now. And one of the feature that we are heavily using is, there is a way where we can just prompt the system and it will develop a micro app for us. So that is saving us a lot of time in prototyping the clients, giving them an example of how things will turn out, sort of giving them a demo of the entire app. Hi, myself Vishal, and I'm the founder and principal consultant at ThinkWP Labs. We started this company as a web development agency, and we were reliant on the Zoho tools heavily. That's the reason we were able to scale up our agency back then. Our clients were very happy with the services that we were providing them, and a lot of the credit goes to the Zoho tools, the ecosystem that we were using. Knowingly and unknowingly, we were also sort of promoting the Zoho tools by and large. That's when the magic happened. We happened to have stumbled upon the Zoho Partner team and got onboarded as a partner. So just before this conversation, I realized that I started using Zoho Creator back in 2013. I didn't know that it's gonna go so far with us. And then we made a few apps for a startup that I was working at back then, and then I forgot about it altogether. Fast forward to 2017 when the opportunity struck, when I got this client. I was looking for a solution to help them, is when I realized, oh, this is the tool that I've used in the past. That day, I tried on the app, I looked at the interface. We were pretty confident that we will be able to build the app for the client, and that's when the journey started. If it was not for Creator, I don't think we would have been able to take the project all together and then scale up the teams so fast. And they were stuck with a very native old application which was running on a server in their office. When I looked at them, I was like, you're stuck at a very wrong place, because one, nobody has their servers in their office now, and secondly, it's outdated, you're not able to update the code, so on and on forth. And that's when it all just fell in place. So we got started with Zoho Creator back then, and now that's been 8 years now, and we have never had to look back at it. So at ThinkWP and in my life, I'm using Creator too much. Okay, to sort of before we actually jump to it. So I'm a very strong believer of move fast and break things. With Zoho Creator, we are moving fast and yet not breaking things. So that adds a cherry on the cake, because I'm able to sort of ideate very quickly with Zoho Creator. So personally speaking, within ThinkWP Labs and within all my companies rather, I have two common applications that I'm using, which we have built in-house. One is a document management application. There are multiple letters being floated out of the company's desk or my desk per se. And sometimes it's very scary, because I'm not able to go through all the documents every time. I'm just very heavily dependent on the guy who's bringing it and getting it signed from me. While there is no deficit of trust per se, but it just eases my anxiety that at least I know what all documents I have signed. And the next phase that we are rather building on top of that document is that we are going to put a QR code on that, so that the person to whom that document is being supplied, they will be able to verify if it came from my desk or not. So we're going to publish this all together, that any document that you're getting, if it's not having a valid QR code, it's as good as invalid document. That's one. Second, we have also created a secret management application, a secret as in password management application. While there are multiple applications and one within the Zoho ecosystem as well, Zoho Vault, but when I say secret management or password management application, it goes beyond it. So we built this application. Anytime you access or request the password, the app will reflect the password immediately, but I will also get to know. It's a small nudge, but that way it helps me to know. Then I can come back to you and be like, you accessed the particular app the other day, what were you trying to do? So that way it creates an ecosystem for me. So from a small business perspective, it sort of helps us. So these are the two lifeline applications that we are currently using internally, apart from, of course, all the HR management, job requisition. There are multiple modules that we have built in-house, because every problem I come across, I sort of go back and think of it from an app perspective, that how we can solve it. So I'm also really excited about how Zoho Creator is quickly adapting around the AI wave, because it's all about AI now. And one of the features that we are heavily using is there is a way where we can just prompt the system and it will develop a micro app for us. So that is saving us a lot of time in prototyping the clients, giving them an example of how things will turn out, sort of giving them a demo of the entire app. Furthermore, it's also saving us a lot of time, because if it's a 50-60 field form, we would have to do a lot of drag and drop here and there, rename the fields. So that's again a lot of work to be done. But with AI in place, we are now just putting a prompt or dragging, putting out all the things that we want in the app, and then it just spins up the app altogether on its own. So which is a very great deal for us. So if I had to describe Zoho Creator in one word, I would call it a lifeline, because that's what the two apps that I mentioned, while these are the very smallest of the use cases that there would be, as a business owner, these would be the problem of many large enterprises. They may agree to it or they may not, but it is a problem to even the largest of the organizations, because they don't know where their passwords are flowing, and they would not know what all agreements or documents they have signed here and there, unless they put 100 people to a task, and still then it may or may not be tracked. So that's why the moment you talk about Zoho Creator, that's what I envision as. While of course I would still be doing something or the other, I'm not sure what exactly I would be doing if it was not for Zoho Creator development. So a major shout out to the Zoho Creator team. The product has really come out really well, and looking at it throughout last 10 years, it's been a really good journey.